Good morning, students. Myself Abhay Kumar Pandey start your the important chapter of mathematics, triangle. Do you know that your examination will start on second week of September? So revision is needed. Now, your first question is what? कि ABC is a triangle and side BC produce to D. Side BC produce to D and side AB produce to F and side AC produce to F. And angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 are the form exterior angles. Then you prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 360 degree. Then you prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to what? 360 degree. Now, how can you prove it? On point A, the two angles are formed. What is the sum of the angle? 180 degree by linear pair. 180 degree by linear pair. It means angle 1 is equal to what? Angle A is equal to what? So 180 degree minus angle 1. Similarly, angle B is equal to what? 180 degree minus angle 2. Angle C is equal to what? So 180 degree minus angle 3. 180 degree minus angle 3. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to what? 180 degree. That is the properties of triangle. Angle A is equal to what? So 180 degree minus angle 1. 180 degree minus angle 1. 180 degree minus angle 1 plus angle B is equal to what? So 180 degree minus angle 2. 180 degree minus angle 2 plus angle C is equal to what? So 180 degree minus angle 3. 180 degree minus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Firstly, in triangle ABC, you know that angle A plus B plus C is equal to what? 180 degree. That is the property of triangle. Angle A is equal to what? So 180 degree minus angle 1. 180 degree minus angle 1 using linear pair. I write it 180 and 180 we can say. 180 plus 180 minus angle 1 minus angle 2 minus angle 3 is equal to minus 360 degree. 180 equal to what? 360 degree plus sign change into minus sign. Minus is the common. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 is equal to minus 360 degree. Minus cancel. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 360 degree. And that will prove. Also, you know the exterior angle of any polygon. Sum of the exterior angle of any polygon be 360 degree. 360 degree. Suppose that is a triangle, also for the quadrilateral, also for the pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. Sum of the all exterior angle of a polygon be 360 degree and 4 right angle. Now your second question is what? Second question is what? ABC is a triangle and that is a right angle triangle. It means angle B is a 90 degree. Then you prove that hypotenuse is the longest side. Hypotenuse means what? AC is the hypotenuse. How can you prove it that is the longest sides? Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what? 180 degree. Given in your question angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle A, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle C 180 degree. The angle A plus angle C is equal to what? 90 degree. That is equation number 1. Its meaning is what? Angle A is less than 90 degree and angle C is less than 90 degree. Why? The sum of A plus C is equal to what? 90 degree. sum of A plus C is equal to what? 90 degree. Its meaning is what? The angle A is less than 90 degree and angle C is also less than 90 degree. So angle B is the largest angle. Angle B is the largest angle. Comparing A, B, C, and you find angle B is the largest angle, and you know that that is the largest angle, and that side is what? It is the largest side, and also we say that that is the longest side. Hence, AC is longest side. Yeah, also we say the hypotenuse is the longest side. Figure will be given. And find the value of angle x and angle y. Angle x and angle y. Firstly, given that AB and CD are two lines intersect at point O. So firstly, you find that angle. In triangle AOC. Angle A plus 40 degree plus 80 degree is 180 degree. Angle A 120 degree, 180 degree. Angle A is equal to what? 180 degree minus 120 degree, 60 degree. First we find that angle be 60 degree. That is the property of triangle. Do you know that the sum of all angle of a triangle must be 360 degree? Now, on point A, the two angles are formed. What is the sum of the angle? The 180 degree using linear pair. It means you write x plus 60 degree is equal to what? 180 degree. X is equal to what? 180 degree minus 60 degree. That will be 120 degree. X is equal to 120 degree. And that is answer. Second question. Second, how can find the value of y? You know that the AB and CD are the two lines intersect at point O. Therefore, that angle will be 40 degree. Why? That is a vertically opposite angle. You know that the vertically opposite angles are equal. 40 degree, it means 40 degree. Now, in triangle BOD, first angle be what? 40 degree and 70 degree. Then you find the angle B. It means angle B plus 40 degree plus 70 degree is 180 degree. Angle B 110 degree, 180 degree. Angle B is equal to what? 70 degree. Angle B is equal to what? 70 degree. Angle B is equal to what? 70 degree. Now, on point B, the two angles are found. What is the sum of these angles? So 180 degree by linear pair. It means what? 70 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Y is equal to what? 180 degree minus 70 degree, 110 degree. Also, you solve this question using exterior angle property. You see, 80 plus 40 is equal to what? 120. So that angle be 120. Here the exterior angle phi. If these sides are produced, the 40 plus 70 is equal to what? 40 plus 70 is equal to what? 110 degree. That is the exterior angle property. Also, you find the value of x and y. It means you find the two angles and you should write the angles. Here 40 degree, there 40 degree, 70 degree will be given. The 70 plus 40 is equal to what? 110. That is the exterior angle property. Now, your next chapter we start quadrilaterals. It is also the very important chapter for you. Please do your homework in your school copy, also class work and fair copy. Okay.